back to North Wales. Just walking away from my car. Obviously we have the Snowdonia and all the big lot on our left, but today I'm gonna do things a little bit different, and I'm gonna go and check out the right side. In the morning right now. Temperature is about 5 degrees, so it is quite chilly, and it is gonna get colder as we're gonna get higher. I'm gonna try to get through it as fast as possible because I am planning to have a wild camp later on. We will see how we get on. If you look at the tops, it is quite foggy. It's Friday today, so I'm not sure if it's gonna get quite busy on the trails or not. Wet rocks are quite slippery, especially these ones with moss on. The typical Welsh weather is greeting me with a little bit of rain so far, hopefully not for very long, and it's gonna pack in and I can enjoy my hike today without getting too wet. After about a mile on walking on the side of the road, we've just come to this first footpath. And that's the one we're gonna take. Oh, it looks so grim over there. I just hope I'm not gonna get hit with too much rain. In fact, I always do, so should be prepared for it now. But still better when it's no rain. Remember this way. I think it was Glyder. I was coming down and this is the path I used for sure. This particular path is known to me. I have done it in October, I think. I have descended it, but I went other way around. I was coming down and I did think about doing it other way around, and here it actually happening accidentally. I had to take a top layer off because I was getting really warm. It is, as far as I remember, I will be faced with some good challenges ahead. Pretty steep climbing, a little bit of scrambling. Yeah, and it was really slippery in October. I don't think it's any better now. And I remember this bit, I was getting spiked a lot. Just to show you how spiky it is, look at these babies. Look at these spikes. Ouch. Looks like they've trimmed it out a little bit. You can see where they've been trimming it. When I went through here in October, nothing was trimmed. You literally had to barge yourself through all this spiky stuff, but now it's all been sanitized, so it's different now, much easier. It's pretty steep. Look at this. So we are now approaching the bridge to get over one of these streams. Here's the bridge. As you get past this bridge, you're faced with some pretty steep climbing. Last bit of scenery before I disappear into the fog. Disappearing into the fog again. Yay! Woohoo! We love fog. No, we're not. We just can't make it happen without a fog for some reason. Yeah, I forgot my head mount. So we'll try to attach it to my backpack and see if that's gonna work. I hope we're gonna see something. The rocks are quite slippery in places, so you have to really mind what you're doing, which makes this hike a bit hard. That scrambling bit, which I don't think I'm going to do because it is very greasy. And that's it. We are in the fog. Have a bit of a stream. Say hi to the slug. Oh. Damn it. Slippery. Oh. Whew. So as you can see, there are different ways of getting up. Some easier ones. I'll probably use the easiest one. Then you have this bit here. That is a proper scrambling route. And then you have some scrambling routes over there as well. Past the sketchy bit that we're over there at the moment. It's quite mellow right now, like this. So I can change the camera view a bit. And there's our ladders in the fog. Don't know if the camera can see it or not. Ooh. A lot of loose rocks. Everything got really loose. Really loose and rocky. I am getting tired already. Good job it's not raining. It is foggy though, but what can you do? North Wales, that's what it's all about, rain and fog. We are very, very lucky if you get good weather. So you shouldn't get upset if you do get a bad weather, because Just the way I look at it, it's part of it. Just get out, do as much as you can before you get very cold or too wet, and go back, you know. It's getting cold and windy, so I might put another layer on. Starting to rain. Damn it. Not what I want. I don't want any rain. I hope it'll stop soon. Arranged with this stupid rain. And after the rocks, of course, you have to go for a little bit of mud. Can't go without mud. Need some mud. It's raining. Come on, stop! That rain is spoiling everything. When I checked in the morning, it wasn't supposed to rain, but all of a sudden the forecasts have changed and I have 2 hours of rain. Another challenging hike in the stupid conditions. Absolutely no point filming again because you can only see so far. I will be on and off the camera just to show you little bits of paths and the weather changes and stuff like that. In terms of scenery, there's none. Need to jump over there. Up. I just hope this rain gonna stop sometime today. Still raining though. Still praying for rain gods to stop spraying me. It's drizzling, but still I'd rather have none and no fog. So I've just come up to some sort of a lake or pool or pond, I don't know. I don't even know what it's called or anything. But I can certainly find out for you and pop it down on the screen. Look at this, guys, it's absolutely amazing. So quiet in here. And the rain literally stopped. I hope it's not gonna start again. Let's have a look at this little pool. Amazing swimming spot. Because of the fog, I can't see the whole lot of it. Look at this. It's nice. See, the paths are gonna fork off. I think you've got like 3 different ones. We're taking the one on the right. That one is gonna take us to Glyder Fawr. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but when I get there, I'll pop it on the screen so you guys can have a go at reading it or pronouncing it. I'm really sorry if I pronounce it wrong. This path to Glyder Fawr is very loose and rocky. Looks like it was a quarry. And yeah, I got this rather loose scramble to do, but it's very nice. Look how majestic it is. Loose, rocky, steep, a quarry type path. Getting really windy. Whew. I got exposed now. I need to try to go faster in here because it's really cold and it's raining. I'm gonna stop the camera here and sprint it to the top, and I'll see you in a few minutes. Oh, it's very steep and rocky. Jesus, that's steep. and it's raining. It's really hard to walk on this. You try to make a big step and the foot slides half a step back. Now these little pyramids are telling me I'm on the right way. Got caught by strong wind and rain again. No opportunity to stop for a break. You have to keep moving not to get cold. Not as steep as it was on them loose rocks. We're very close to the top now. And another pyramid. Don't know if camera picks it up, but I can see the silhouette of the summit. Super cold! I'm gonna go hide behind the rock. Damn it. Whew. Oh wow, that was super windy. I'm drenched, so cold. Gloves, everything. Look at this. I don't even know where I'm supposed to be. This is basically the summit. I can't really do a proper tour for you because it's stupidly windy. Look at this. Up to 40 mph winds with rain. Look at this. I have to head on. Wind head on. Oh my lord. Why am I doing this? Why do I always have such bad weather? Oh Jesus Christ! I need to get out of this exposed place. This is basically pathetic. Not a single hiker I've seen today. I'm not surprised. Look at the weather conditions. The temperature is about 2 degrees, maybe 1, and with rain it just makes it brutal. Oh my god. Have to cover up myself a bit. Jesus, that rain is like bullets hitting my face. I'm so wet. I'm on my way back. There's no way I'm gonna hang around anymore. The rain doesn't stop. I just get wetter and wetter and wetter. I have just about run away from the wind, but rain never stops. Look at this. That's how wet I am. Look at that bedrock. Quite cool. I need to find a hideout and change clothes. Put dry gloves on and dry top. Looks like a good spot for it. Whew. That's my gloves. Hands are frozen. This is gonna get wet really quickly, but it doesn't matter. Sun is about to break through. That's the main car park for the Snowdon. Jeez, loose rocks are just sliding under you. First little bit of a view I get today. Very nice. finally all finished. Again, got challenged by weather big time. Survived it. Ah, yes. These rocks are so slippery. Stupidly slippery. Oh, slipping. Wow, that was super scary. Whew. Off-piste, never been easy. So here's the off-piste bit done. Scrambling down the rocks. It's doable, but quite hard. And now I just need to get through this swamp and have a easy walk back to the car. Walking on the road in the rain. I sort of came down from there and I took the shortcut and did this bit off-piste. There isn't any trails in there or anything, so be very careful. Most of the rocks are wet and full of algae, very slippery. Please be mindful doing it. Ah, this is gorgeous. Just enjoying my last little bit of walk. It is gonna be a road all the way to the car. Yeah, the hike itself wasn't that bad. Took the path on the way to Glyder Fawr. I used in October to come down from Yigarn, I think. Quite nice. But once you get to the top of Glyder Fawr, it's just a pile of rock. And the weather conditions were extreme, so I don't know what's the views like on top of there, but this time I haven't seen anything apart from really strong wind and rain and a lot of rocks. I had to do a little bit of piste at the end purely because I wanted to cut some corners and get to the car quicker. If you did enjoy the video, please hit that like button, and if you want to see more, please subscribe for more awesome content, and I will see you in the next one.